right? Wow. There's the boat going up into the water. The Canadian one with the Canadian flag and the American flag on there. Seas are roaring. Probably be full tilt here in a moment. So Dad was just telling me the story about the folks that went overboard. This was 1960s, was it, Dad? Yeah, so I was wrong. I thought the girl had not survived, but they caught the girl. Yeah, I think you're right. They caught the girl, but the boy went over. And the uncle, he unfortunately died. And the boat had obviously went over. Wow. Oh, maybe the mist picked him up, but they saved the girl. Okay, that's good. That's good. I think you're right. I had thought she'd passed away, but I'm glad. I'm glad they caught the girl. Wow. I think you're right, Dad. Yeah. Wow. Okay, great. So you were here when you were a kid, right, Dad?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Different boats. Wow. That's gorgeous. Well, this is the Canadian Falls. We're not quite there yet. We got to go over there towards that building. But you can see right the water just careening behind the falls there, eroding all that stone. Boy, it's corroding a lot. Wonder how long it'll be before that ledge will fall off. But actually, not too bad. You can see, yeah, you can see some rock under there, so it looks pretty safe. But the part right here looks pretty precarious, in my opinion. Wow. As Dad said, that boat is going full steam ahead and it won't move because of the current from the water coming over that falls. And as we move closer to that building, which is not very far away, maybe another 100 meters, you'll get soaked over there from the steam. In fact, we're getting quite a bit of rain, well, mist from that steam. You look away off in the distance, you see that's where these guys take the water. Oh, yes, right there. Oh, okay, so the water comes in over there somewhere and it goes to the, it gets funneled away. Okay. And there's the American Falls. Yeah, the Rainbow Bridge, that's right. Looking back into the downtown Niagara Falls. Ah, there's my dad. Okay, oh, see, people got the rain suits on. My screen's getting wet, what's that?
I haven't got enough fish.
No problem. Wow, look at the ledge. Wow.
Lover's Leap.
Yeah. Yeah, wow, okay. The boat just stays there. Yeah, when you're on the boat, you get soaked. That's why everyone has those blue coats, raincoats, because you'll be soaked. Even with the raincoat, you'll be pretty wet. Okay, so we're gonna keep walking this way and we'll be just a few meters away from the water careening over the edge.